Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the pad model and battery charge so you don't waste time on incompatible parts. Then remove external screws and any snap-on bezel. Once the bezel is off, make sure to note connector positions and take a quick photo for reference. You'll next release clips with a spudger, prying gently at the indicated seams. Work slowly, forcing plastic brakes tabs. This initial disassembly lets you access the transparent layer and adhesive areas you'll be repairing. You now apply gentle heat to soften adhesive so the transparent membrane peels cleanly. Keep temperature around 40 to 50 degrees Celsius and move the heat source continuously. Once softened, use a thin pick to lift edges while you support the film to prevent creases. Clean the mating surfaces with 90% isopropyl, removing old adhesive and dust. Then position a half-width optically clear adhesive strip. Align precisely and press from center outward to avoid bubbles, making sure edges fully seat into the frame. You reattach connectors and lightly secure the assembly with a temporary clamp, then power on to test touch and clarity before fully screwing the case closed. Once verified, torque screws evenly in a diagonal pattern and let adhesive cure for the recommended time. If you see small bubbles or misalignment, do not force the case. Instead, power down, lift from the nearest seam, reapply heat or fresh adhesive, and smooth again from center outward. This prevents trapped debris and ensures long-term clarity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.